Hi, everybody. My name is Christine Barberio, and I'm so excited to be joining the staff at the Health Sciences Academy here at Monroe Middle School. I'm going to be a sixth grade ELA teacher this year, and I'm so excited to join you. I'm the parent of 3 students here in Union County Public Schools, 1 high schooler, 1 middle schooler, and 1 elementary school student. I've got the trifecta. This year, I'm excited to share my love of reading and writing with my students and help all of my students see the world that surrounds you. We're going to look at cultures and communities. We're going to look at history and what lessons it has taught us. We're going to seek to appreciate and celebrate the diversity and the uniqueness of all of us through our literature and through the work that we do in responding to what we read. A core component that I will also be bringing to the classroom is going to be the growth mindset. The growth mindset is the idea that each one of us can grow constantly from the things that happen to us in our life. We can grow from our strengths, we can grow from our failures, we can grow from our successes, and we can grow from our challenges. I'm going to encourage each one of my students to look at themselves and to be able to say, honestly, this is the area I need to grow in, and this is how I'm going to get there. Another component that we will be utilizing in our classroom is the way that we treat each other and building a classroom community. We'll be focusing in each of my blocks on kindness and respect. We'll be creating a community of learners where each person is celebrated for what they bring to the classroom community. I'm so excited to meet all of you, and I'm so excited to have you join in with this growth mindset and community that we're going to create of great readers and writers. Please check out my Canvas page where you'll find lots of information about the syllabus, about what we'll be studying, books we'll be reading, and all of our assignments will be posted in there. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, whether it's virtually or in person, and I can't wait to have you be a part of 6th grade ELA in my classes. Thanks.